Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on it today. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. I talked about this analysis on Friday, and obviously things have come to life quite a bit from there. So the first update that I'm going to do is just use the green line for up here now, and that'll be talk about the ideal level of support. When you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would definitely be if the price can hold up there above 57 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 57, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 57 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? For this, going to scrunch up the chart a little bit to go back into the history of things. Always a good problem to have. So sure, the chart's harder to see, but that's just because it's been a while since the price has been up this high. So that initial level of resistance remains right up there at the 60-cent mark. If 60 cents can be broken, the next key overall level right up there around 64 cents. So 60 and 64, next couple of key levels going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today. Great way to start off the week. And the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.